In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install a new font to use in Microsoft Word. Let's dive into the process, which is quite simple and just takes a few steps. This can help you get creative with different font styles for your documents. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to 1001fonts.com. This website offers a wide range of fonts you can choose from. You'll find everything from classic serif fonts to modern sans serif styles, and even some more artistic script fonts. Take your time browsing through the options. It's a great way to find something that suits your needs, whether it's for a creative project, a formal document, or simply to personalize your own work documents. Once you've selected a font that you like, the next step is to download it. This is typically as simple as clicking on the download button located next to your chosen font. Your browser will then download the font file, which will most likely be compressed in a zip file. It's always a good idea to keep track of where the file is being saved on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Now that you have your zip file downloaded, you'll need to unzip it. You can do this by right-clicking on the file and selecting the Extract All option. This will create a new folder with the same name as the zip file, which contains all the items you'll need. Inside this folder, look for files with the extensions .otf or .ttf. These file types stand for OpenType font and TrueType font respectively, and they are the actual font files you will be installing. Next, double-click on the font file you want to install. In my example, I'll go with a .otf file, but the process is the same for a TTF file. Once you do that, a window will pop up showing a preview of the font. Somewhere in this window, you will find an Install button. Go ahead and click on that, and your computer will handle the rest. The font will be automatically installed and ready to use in applications like Microsoft Word. Finally, open Microsoft Word to check your newly installed font. You can find it by clicking on the Font Selection drop-down in the toolbar. Scroll through your font list until you see the name of the font you just installed. Select it, and you're good to go. You can now start typing and enjoy using your new font in your documents. And there you have it. The process of downloading and installing a new font for use in Microsoft Word. It's a straightforward way to add a personal touch to your documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.